My name is Mark Justin Alroben, and I'm here to have my teaching demo. So, I will present first the overview of my lesson. So, unit topic, the polynomial function. Unit standard, the student demonstrate understanding of K concept of polynomial and polynomial equation. Lesson, it's all about division of algorithm and synthetic division. Learning competencies, perform division of polynomials using long and synthetic division. Learning target or my objective is to define long and synthetic division. Perform division of polynomials using long and synthetic division. Solve problems involving division of polynomial using long and synthetic division. So now I will proceed to my discussion. So, good morning class. Okay, I have here a band paper. So, what is your observation in this band paper? Yes, Erica? Yes, there is a symbol. Another. Yes, John? There are fraction. Yes, very good. Another. Yes, Eric? Yes, division. So, who can still remember what are the parts of division? Yes, Anna? Yes, very good. The quotient. How about you, John? Dividend. Micah? Divisor. Okay, this lesson or this division involved to our lesson for this morning. So our lesson for this morning is all about the long and synthetic division in dividing polynomials. So to understand that, let us first know how to solve having the steps of both polynomials. Okay, so we have here the long division. So what are the steps of long division? Can you read, Micah? Yes, very good. So first is to arrange the indices to the polynomial in descending order. Then replace the missing terms with 0. Next is to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. This gives the first term of the quotient. The third step, multiply the divisor by the first term of the quotient. Fourth, subtract the product from the dividend, then bring down the next term. The difference and the next term will be the new dividend. Then, note that, remember, the rules in subtraction change the sign of the subtrahend to proceed to addition. Then, repeat step 2 to 4 to find the second term of the quotient. Then lastly, continue the process until the remainder is obtained. This can be 0 or lower than the index divisor. So, how about the synthetic? Okay, first step is to set the divisor equal to 0 and find the number to put in the divisor box. Arrange the indices for the polynomial in descending order. Then list only the coefficient in the divisor problem. Replace the missing term with 0. Once the problem is set up correctly, bring the leading coefficient straight down. Next, multiply the number in the division box with the number you brought down and put the result with the next column. Next, add the numbers together and write the result in the bottom of the row. Next, repeat step 4 and 5 until you reach the end of the problem. Lastly, write the final answer. The final answer is made up of numbers. In the bottom row with the last number being the remainder, and the remainder must be written as a fraction. The variable x starts off 1 power less than the original denominator and go down with each term. So to understand this step, let us have the example. Okay, class? Okay. So for example, this one. This is the example of this two polynomial function. Okay. So this is So x squared plus 8x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. Okay, using the long division, it's stated here in the steps that you need to arrange the indices to the polynomial in descending order. So since our polynomial or the dividend is already arranged, so we use the exponent. Let us see the exponent if it is in descending order. So since this is already in descending order, so it is finally arranged. Then, if there is a missing term of this polynomial, so you write 0. Okay? Understood? Okay, very good. So next is divide first of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So since this is your dividend, this is your divisor. So simple as long division is like when you divide a whole number. You just divide a number. Same process. Okay? So you have here x squared plus 8x plus 15 divided by x plus 5. So divide first term. So x squared divide x. You get x. So x times x squared. X times 5, positive 5. Then here you have the rules that change the sign of the subtrahend. So we are going to change the sign. Instead of positive, there is a negative sign here. So negative times positive, negative. Negative times positive, negative. So na-change na ang sign. Then add. So x squared plus negative x squared, 0. So positive 8 minus 5x is 3x. Bring down 15. Same process. Repeat 2 to 4 to find the second term of the quotient. Then you have here 3. So same process, 0. So therefore our quotient is x plus 3. How about if we will use the synthetic, the same problem? Can we get the same answer? Okay. Synthetic division. The first step is to what? The divisor is equal to 0. What is our divisor here? Yes, very good, Micah. X plus 5. So we need to equate x plus 5 into 0. Okay. X plus 5 transpose 5. So you have negative 5. Therefore, the value of your x is, yes, John, negative 5. Okay, once the problem is set up correctly, so it is set up correctly, so bring down the coefficient straight down. So here in synthetic division, you just use the coefficient of the dividend. What are those coefficient? Mga numbers. Okay, so x squared, you have, what is the coefficient of x squared? 1. You have 1. How about the second term? 8 and 15. If there is a missing term here, you write 0. Okay, understood? Okay. So, you have, so bring down, so 1 times, next step is to multiply. So 1 times negative 5, negative 5. 8 plus negative 5 is 3. So 3 times negative 5, you have negative 15 equals 0. The last process here is your remainder, or your remainder. So to get the final answer, you have here x start of 1 power less than the original. So since the original is x squared, so step down ta. So therefore, our value of x here is minus 1. So you have x. Okay, x plus, so wala na x 3. So therefore, we have x plus 3. Understood? Okay, very good. So I have here an example activity. So you need to answer this one right now. Okay? Let us check your answer if it is correct. Okay, here it is. Time's up. Okay. Venus, solve on the board how to get the answer or your quotient. Okay? Very good. Okay, Venus, you got the correct answer. So can you explain here in front? Okay, listen class to Venus. Okay, very good. Give him a round of applause. Okay, it is correct. Since your dividend is unarranged into descending order, you need to arrange first. The next is there a missing term? Yes, there is a missing term. The X word. Okay, so you put 0. So this solution of Venus is correct. So you just simply remember the steps of long and synthetic division. Okay? Okay. So, class, I have a question. Do division involve right now in our in a real scenario? Yes, John. Yes, it is. Division, murag siya or same like management. How to manage yourself. You divide yourself, your time to work, to do something. So this involves division. I hope you understand the essence of the divisions process. Okay? To become successful, you need also to have the steps. Division involves in our life. Okay? So I will group you into 2 groups. I have here problems. Then each problem has a corresponding letter in which you need to form that letters into what? Into a word. Okay. So group 1, get this problems. Okay. Group 2. Okay. Time starts now. Okay, time's up. Okay. What is your answer? What is the word? Thanks. Very good. The word is thanks. Okay. So that is our lesson for this morning. So I hope you understand how to divide the polynomials using the long and synthetic division. Okay. For your next our next lesson, so you just simply study in advance on your book on page 45. Okay? Okay. So goodbye class. Okay.